Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can edit saved password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now select Edit button and change wherever you wish to. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!